We are thankful to Mr. Subhash Goyal of Gandhidham for his
Here you
kind
find
courtesy.
some snack, tea, etc. very nearby to railway station. Yes, this gate you are seeing is the railway station. Of so this is Dwarka railway station. See the architecture of railway station. Okay, so we move inside railway station and see what's there. I remind you that you are watching Avisha Travel Vlogs, our YouTube channel, and I am your host, Kushagra Bora. Okay, so morning hectic hour. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. So inside railway station, this side is counters for ticket and reservation, etc. etc. Here we have retiring rooms and dormitory facility also at Dwarka railway station. This is platform number 1 and I am waiting for my train to North Dwara. There is only one train from Okha goes right up to North Dwara. From all over India or North Dwara, there is only one train, and that is from Okha. Weekly train on every Wednesday. It leaves Okha at 8:20 in the morning, arrives at Dwarka at 8:51. So I am waiting for it. Anyway, let's see when it arrives. I checked the coach position, which is number 8 from engine. My coach will be number 8.
Platform क्रमांक 1 पर आएगी ट्रेन नंबर 19575 Okha Nathavara Express will arrive shortly on platform number 1.
Nath Dwara Express. My coach is full packed. The window which I got in my possession is on opposite side of the city of Dwarka. So I can't show you city of Dwarka because of the full capacity train. Our coach is also at its full capacity. No, I can't go over that side. Anyway, so whatever is in my hand, I am trying to show. Rather, I am trying to enjoy. Well, so we have left Dwarka. Now this train will reach Nathdwara tomorrow morning 6:30 early morning. It takes 21 hours. The train route is a little bit different. Though there is one route from Asarwa, Ahmedabad junction, our train will go on Ahmedabad junction, Anand, Dahod, Ratlam, Chittorgarh, Mavli. This route our train will pass through. Let us see what happens. It is just early to say anything. I am Kushagra Bora. Remind you that you are watching my YouTube channel Abhisha Travel Vlogs. So we have now departed. It's too much hanky-panky noise, blah 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 blah, because all women have occupied this. I am the only person, only male in this compartment. See, this is how the terrain of this area looks like. From where this marshy land, the sea water has come. In fact, our train is running parallel to the Gulf of Kutch, which begins at Okha Port. Yes, Okha Port is situated on Arabian Sea, on western side Arabian Sea, and on north starts Gulf of Kutch, which goes right up to Malia Miana. On this Gulf of Kutch situated is our India's major port of Kandla, Deen Dayal Port. So we are parallel, we are running parallel, our train is running parallel to Gulf of Kutch.
और यहाँ वहीं पे चल लो, पहाड़ तो और गए वहीं पे चल लो। ऐसी कतार जगह जब देख भर रही तो सोच रहे जब छूट जाए तो पता ही खाली जगह में ऐसा लग रही है
बढ़ाते हैं। मैं मलिराम बिछड़ा को ब्याह कर रहे थे एक आई की
इतने में कम में बढ़ाते कि जब कोई
मैंने कम दे आ जा छोटी सी
सुन तो ले जब मैं कहूँगा तो हमें मतलब इतने घंटे से इतने घंटे की ड्यूटी होती है, जितने घंटे ट्रेन में जाऊँ उतने घंटे का वो मिलेगी।
Now what it is all about, I don't have any idea, but it seems to be some colony, and when I checked it on my map, the name is Yogeshwar Nagar. Yes, so this colony is known as Yogeshwar Nagar. The time is 10 o'clock and this is the exact time to reach Kambalia. Khambhalia and Jamnagar. This is within the one vicinity. The vicinity is called where our rather Asia's biggest refinery, oil refinery, is situated. Reliance, I don't know whether it is somewhere around here, but it is in Khambhalia, Moti Khawdi, and this area. Let us see what is here. Well, after Khambhalia, our next halt is Jamnagar. Well, with the Khambhalia, from Okha, we have completed 120 kilometers around, and now we are heading towards Jamnagar, which is expected to arrive at 11 o'clock and is 170 kilometers away from Okha. From Okha, Jamnagar is 170 kilometers away. Right from chai lao chai.
Nandadwara Express is arrived on platform number 1.
Hapa. Departing from Hapa. In a sense, Hapa has no other identity than a substation of Jamnagar. Our train is a bit late now, 20 minutes, because it halted for about half an hour at Jamnagar railway station. I don't know what for. And now we are departing from Hapa at 11:45. Actual departure from Hapa was 11:25. So you can say about 20 minutes delay.
सवेरे की भर के शाम तक चाय।
After Hapa, which was on 177 kilometers, now we will go ahead towards Rajkot, which is 253 kilometers away from Okha. So you can say around 80 kilometers from Hapa. Time is 12 noon and the temperature out is 34 degree. It's wind which is hot. The wind blow is hot and hence we feel more heat than 34 degree. Right now, we are working towards Rajkot. This is Saurashtra region of Gujarat. We are like anything. Something is there. What's there? No idea. Oh, what? Rajkot is prime location in Saurashtra. Gujarat has four major cities: Ahmedabad, Vadodara, Surat, and the fourth one is Rajkot.
पिछली बार आपको है ना दिसंबर में अभी नवंबर चले तो कितने अब मैंने कहा निकले इतने पूरे
Changing track means we are reaching Rajkot. Rajkot has a curvature. The railway station is constructed on a curve.
से कहाँ लगा के आयो और मैं उन्हें लेके आऊंगी फिर मैं कभी नहीं कल देखूं और मैं वहाँ चली जाती तो मैं सेठ ले आती
Train is reaching about half an hour late. It is delayed by half an hour by now. Though it tried to cover up by increasing the speed,
बेल चलेगी बेल चलेगी हमारी तो शादी लगाएंगे फिर शादी मनी प्लांट सब कुछ
okay, so this is Rajkot Junction. Here it is written something Rajkot Junction. Yes, and the people have lined up for the train to board the train.
छोड़ के ना ला रहे उनमें भाभी नहीं है खत्म तो वो आई घर रहने तो मैंने उन्हें आधी रेडी किए जब दो के बना के ये मम्मी दिए तो सारी पत्नी कितनी थी ये मम्मी तो पत्नी लगी हमारे ये काट काम छोड़ के ना ला
Rajkot Junction. See, people are lined up to board this train. Majority of these people are up to Nadiyad, Anand, Ahmedabad.
तो आगे चल के इसमें ऋषि कहाँ करिए
ऊपर तक जमा नानी का ऊपर तक नीचे चलेगी
पहले नीचे चलेगी जब
नीचे ऊपर जब पहुंचेगा तब आ जाएगा
Wakaner. We have departed from Wakaner. See the speed of the train. It is devastating. Train is running like anything. I can feel the heat. Such a scorching hot ambience you can feel. Heat, the wind, hot wave is piercing the skin. Have you ever experienced such phenomena? If not, come down to India, Gujarat and the Saurashtra region, also Kutch region. It's very hot nowadays. skipping Viramgam. Yes, this train has no halt at Viramgam, though Viramgam is a big junction point.
ये सब हमारी घर है वो ऑफिस होने का जब कंप्यूटर को आया हो बीमार है
Sabarmati Metro. Do you think it is metro? This is bullet train. Yes. Now the infrastructure is almost complete. Maybe next year, in 2027, our first bullet train will run on these tracks between Ahmedabad and Mumbai. Let us see. This is Sabarmati River. That means we are reaching Ahmedabad junction. Ahmedabad junction. Right time 17:05. Evening 5 minutes past 5. Here also there is a
I Kushagra Bora sign off from Avisha Travel Vlogs.
this train will get
Okha to Nathdwara train journey. See you in next second part
awaiting
from Ahmedabad till Nathdwara. Thanks for watching.
ओखा से चलकर नाथद्वारा को जाने वाली ओखा नाथद्वारा एक्सप्रेस प्लेटफॉर्म संख्या 8 पर खड़ी है। उधर से चलकर शालीमार को जाने वाली पोरबंदर शालीमार एक्सप्रेस प्लेटफॉर्म संख्या 6 पर आएगी। जल्दी जल्दी
रिजर्वेशन तो ये फ्री तो तुम्हें क्यों जाओगे
बड़ौदा जंक्शन से चलकर जामनगर को जाने वाली जामनगर इंटरसिटी एक्सप्रेस प्लेटफॉर्म संख्या 3 पर आएगी। यात्रीगण कृपया ध्यान दें, गाड़ी संख्या 22959 बड़ौदा जंक्शन से चलकर जामनगर को जाने वाली जामनगर इंटरसिटी एक्सप्रेस प्लेटफॉर्म संख्या 3 पर आएगी।
our train departed from Ahmedabad junction within 10 minutes. Staff changed. The staff which ran the train from Okha till Ahmedabad retired for the day, and new staff has taken up the train. within 10 minutes train has departed. See how speedy all work done.